We're experimenting today with the Prop and Scenery Lights Storm Lightning Kit. It's an LED bulb kit with a controller with 6 different lightning modes, and it comes with an 8 AA cell battery holder. We're looking at some polyfill clouds today to see if we can perhaps enhance some effects of polyfill prop clouds with a little bit of dry ice. This is kind of an application experimentation. I have a hanging basket. I'm hooking the battery holder with the 8 AA batteries onto the side. It's one of these types of baskets you can hang with some chain type of clips. I'm hooking the enhanced effects light cable socket on with a tie wrap. I have some polyfill clouds that I've tied to the side of the basket. This is just a really quick kind of demo to see if you can enhance the effect with a little bit of mist from dry ice. This concept could be furthered with maybe using a commercial type very small fogger with a chemical fog. So this is just basically an application idea or concept I'm working through today. The battery can be held to the cage with a little bit of gaffer's tape. I have a little container I'm going to put the dry ice in. So I'll attach the chains to the basket. The idea will be to hang it. I have a little bit of a lightning storm backdrop, kind of typical of photo shoots. Again, this is just a concept, testing out some ideas to see how to create better poly clouds. The controller and the Prop and Scenery Lights kit, it retains its memory. You can set it to a particular mode and speed. When you turn it back on, it'll remember that. All right, I got my basket hanging with a little bit of the polyfill around it. You can kind of fluff it, get the effect you want to see, or the fill and cover the cage as you desire. Again, I'm not looking for perfection today. I'm just kind of looking at the concept of how it could be enhanced. Dry ice has a tendency to go straight down to the floor, so we'll see what happens here. Put a little hot water in the dry ice tub and put it in the basket. Add a little more hot water here. You can see the mist start to come out. See if it gives us a little more realistic effect. I have a fan down on the floor I kind of fiddled with to blow the mist around. Probably needs a little more dry ice, a little more hot water to get it going a little bit better. The bulb in the kit uses 12 cool white LEDs and 12 blue LEDs. It gives a really very high color temperature discharge look of electrical storm. I'll try it again, a little more dry ice, a little more hot water, see what we get here. Again, this is only a experimentation with the Prop and Scenery Lights Storm Lighting Kit. It's available on Amazon or our website. And you can see the fog go straight down to the ground, like maybe another type of fog from a small portable generator or something might be a little more fitting. Turn the fan on, blow the dry ice fog around a bit, see what it looks like. And I'll shut the lights off here in a minute and see what that effect looks like. There you go, just a little bit of quick experimentation today. And again, you can find our kits on Amazon or at our website, Prop and Scenery Lights LLC. Thank you for taking a look at this applications experimentation for prop and scenery lighting products. Thank you.